Hey guys, Martin here from ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and today I want to take a look at ES futures and overnight trade setups. We spend a lot of our time focusing on our RTH and setups there, and for good reason, as that is the session that brings the most volume and the most range. But there's still opportunity in overnight, both in padding the wallet in preparation for the RTH and getting a sense of where the auction is going and where it will continue or counter auction at RTH open. So let's dig into it. This blue area here from D to K is my overnight area. What I really enjoy about overnight is you can give it a few hours to sort of find its balance, and as it starts bouncing back and forth here, you're able to sort of find a range where it tries to stick between. Last night this was about between 65 and 69.5, 70. What I love about this is if you're nimble, you can box this out and trade it back and forth, trade the edges, and find a tick, a few ticks here and a few ticks there. But if that is not your style, then you can let it play, and when it starts doing a breakout, either above, back to the liquidation range, you can have an opportunity to take a long, especially into London Open. London Open being at 12 a.m. Pacific, 3 a.m. Eastern. On the flip side, if you're in this range and it breaks down, you have an opportunity to now aim at previous day's lows and other anchor points. The wonderful thing about this trade is you get to execute it into the open of London, so you don't have to necessarily worry about what London will do. And as you progress in London, the idea is you can see where London is doing. They often enjoy doing a nice liquidation about 60 to 90 minutes into their session. Previously, this was much sooner. But then as they find balance, you're able to now find another responsive long into the end of their day. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Hi, my name is Martin from ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you want to trade with us live every day in real time, then look for the ShadowTrader SquawkBox link in the description below. See you in the room.